Welcome to this JCE Metalwork Learning Series. In this video, I will introduce the Unified JCE Metalwork Syllabus and give you a clear overview of what you will learn throughout the course. This syllabus is designed to provide a progressive and practical metalwork education, combining foundational knowledge from Form 1 with more advanced processes and applications from Form 2. By the end of the course, learners will have developed technical skills, safety awareness, design thinking, and entrepreneurial knowledge in metalwork. The Unified JCE Metalwork Syllabus consists of 3 progressive units: Foundations, Production Processes, and Design, Entrepreneurship, building from fundamental knowledge to advanced application for aspiring metalworkers. We begin with Unit 1, which lays the foundation for all metalwork activities. The Metalwork Workshop and Comprehensive Safety. This section introduces the metalwork workshop environment and emphasizes the importance of safety. Learners study general workshop safety rules, proper conduct, and correct workshop attire. They also learn to identify common workshop hazards such as fire risks, electrical dangers, and harmful fumes, as well as the correct use of firefighting equipment. Special attention is given to hand tool and machine tool safety, including safe procedures for drilling machines, grinding machines, and the center lathe. Safety is treated as a priority throughout the entire syllabus. The second part of Unit 1 focuses on materials and metallurgy. Learners are introduced to the classification of metals, including ferrous metals, non-ferrous metals, and alloys. They study the sources, production methods, properties, and uses of metals, with emphasis on properties such as ductility, hardness, and tensile strength. The unit also covers workshop tests used to identify materials, as well as heat treatment of metals. Learners explore the meaning, purpose, and safety considerations of heat treatment, including processes such as annealing, normalizing, hardening, tempering, and case hardening. Unit 2 focuses on practical skills and production processes used in metalwork. Measuring, marking out, and hand tools. Learners begin by studying measuring and marking out tools, such as rulers, calipers, and scribers. They also learn about cutting, holding, and supporting tools, including vices, clamps, chisels, files, and scraping tools. Basic cutting processes such as filing, sawing, and chiseling are covered, along with proper tool care and maintenance. Machining processes, from basic to advanced. This section introduces machine tools used in metal workshops. Learners study the drilling machine, its parts, users, safe operation, and correct work holding methods. They also learn about drill bits, including types, selection, and appropriate drilling speeds. The grinding machine is covered next, focusing on safety, mounting wheels, and dressing grinding wheels. Finally, learners are introduced to the center lathe, including its main parts, safety precautions, and setting up procedures. Basic lathe operations such as facing, parallel turning, parting off, and chamfering are also studied. Specialized fabrication. This section explores specialized metalwork processes. Learners study joining and fastening methods, including riveting, temporary fasteners such as bolts and nuts, and soft soldering. They also learn sheet metal work, covering tools, joints, forming methods, and stiffening techniques. The unit introduces hand forging, explaining its meaning, importance, tools, and processes, followed by practical production of forged components. Metal finishing. The final part of Unit 2 focuses on metal finishing. Learners examine the need for finishing, selection of finishing materials, and common finishing methods such as lacquering, gluing, and painting. Unit 3 applies technical skills to real-world problem-solving and business opportunities. The comprehensive design process. Learners are guided through the complete design process, starting with problem definition and investigation. This includes writing a design brief, carrying out research, and analyzing design factors. They then move on to idea generation and selection, using sketches and evaluation techniques to choose the best solution. The development and planning phase focuses on producing working drawings, cutting lists, and production schedules. Finally, Learners make the artifact and carry out testing and evaluation, identifying strengths and weaknesses of the finished product. Metalwork entrepreneurship. The final section introduces metalwork entrepreneurship. Learners study the meaning, importance, and characteristics of an entrepreneur. They explore entrepreneurial opportunities in metalwork, learn how to set up a business, and understand basic business functions and classifications. The unit concludes with an introduction to the business plan and how to navigate challenges and opportunities in the metalwork industry. In this series, we focus on developing key skills for metalwork students. First, technical competence. Students will develop essential practical skills in metalwork, including the correct use of hand tools and machines. Emphasis is placed on hands-on activities and following safety standards in the workshop. Second, materials science. Students will learn to understand different materials and their properties. This knowledge helps in selecting the right material for the right job and applying suitable heat treatment processes for various projects and tasks. Finally, creativity and problem solving. Through design and fabrication activities, students are encouraged to think creatively, solve problems, and apply innovative approaches when tackling challenges in metalwork. Together, these objectives prepare students to work safely, skillfully, and confidently in metalwork. Let's take a moment to understand the practical relevance of what we are learning. We aren't just memorizing rules or facts, we are connecting these skills directly to real-world applications. This course is built on 3 pillars. First, we have safety skills. As we have just discussed, safety is paramount. But beyond just preventing accidents, a strong safety culture ensures workshop productivity. When you understand how to minimize risks, you can operate tools and equipment confidently. A safe workshop is an efficient workshop. Second is materials knowledge. You cannot build a great product if you don't understand what you are building it with. We will develop a thorough understanding of materials science, which translates into informed project selections. You will learn exactly how to choose the appropriate metals for a specific job and how to apply processes like heat treatment to achieve the desired outcome. And finally, this all leads to design innovation. Metalwork is about creation. Engaging in design and fabrication projects fosters your innovation and creativity. This hands-on experience is critical for developing the real-world problem-solving skills you will need in the industry. By mastering these 3 areas, you transition from a student into a capable, professional metalworker. Every lesson in this series has a corresponding PDF that supplements the video. The PDF is designed to provide detailed and comprehensive coverage of each topic, helping you revise, study independently, and prepare for assessments. A download link to the PDF will be provided so you can easily access it. My contact details will also be shared in case you have any questions, comments, or need further clarification. Thank you for your attention. We will begin our metalwork learning journey in the next lesson.